In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you've spent in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to see your expenses and how to quickly narrow things down so you can understand where your money is going. Let's start from your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. To review what you've spent, you'll want to head over to the area where all your outgoing transactions live. You can do this in one of two ways. First, look for the bookkeeping section. When you click on bookkeeping, you'll see an option labeled Expenses. Select that, and it will open up a detailed list of all your spending transactions. If you don't see bookkeeping or you prefer another route, you can also go directly to Expenses from the left navigation bar. Simply look down the left-hand side of your screen for the word Expenses and click on it. Both paths take you to the same place, the expense list. This list is your central hub for tracking what you've spent. You'll see bills, expenses, and other outgoing payments all in one table. Now, if you have a lot of transactions, scrolling through everything can be overwhelming. That's where the filter option becomes really useful. At the top of the expense list, look for the filter drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see several ways to narrow down what you're viewing. You can filter by date to focus on a specific time period, like this month, last month, or a custom date range. This is especially helpful when you're preparing reports or checking how much you spent during a particular project or season. You can also filter by vendor, which lets you see all the money you've paid to a specific supplier or service provider. This is great for reviewing ongoing contracts or checking if a vendor bill has already been paid. Depending on your setup, you may also see options to filter by transaction type, such as bills, expenses, or checks. Choose the combination of filters that best matches what you're trying to review. Once you've selected your filters, the most important step is to apply them. Click the Apply button to update the list. QuickBooks will refresh the page and show only the transactions that match your selections. From here, you can quickly scan your spending, open individual transactions for more detail, or export the list if you need to share it. That's all there is to it. By using the Expenses page and the Filter menu, you can easily track what you've spent in QuickBooks Online and stay on top of your business finances.